In this video, I'll show you how to activate your American Express card. There are 3 ways to activate your card, so let me walk you through all of them. The first way is through the American Express app. Download the app on your phone and enter your card details, create a user ID and password, then set a PIN of your choice and activate your card right from the app. The second way is through the American Express website. Open your browser and go to americanexpress.com/in/activate. Register for online services, set your PIN, and activate your card from there. The third way is by calling the American Express helpline. Call the helpline number, follow the prompts, set your PIN, and your card will be activated. Now, if you have a renewal or replacement card, the process is slightly different. Your existing PIN is still valid, so you do not need to set a new one unless you requested a change. However, you still need to activate the card before using it for the first time. To activate a renewal or replacement card through the app, open the Amex app, go to the Account tab, and select Activate and Add Card to your account. You can also activate it through the website at americanexpress.com/in/activate or by calling the helpline. If you requested a new PIN with your replacement card, make sure you choose a new 4-digit PIN and activate the card before your first use. That is how you do it.